Grand Rising, Divine Collective. Today we're going to start out with a dream that my 6-year-old had. She woke up this morning and told me about it because in the world that I live in, Divine Collective, I don't see anything as a coincidence. Everything is a sign, okay? As I've told you, my children are very gifted, very intuitive, okay? My 6-year-old, she came to me this morning and she said she was going to play for a while. I was getting ready to work. And I heard her in my son's room, but she started to cry this morning. And I'm like, what's going on with you? Are you okay in there? And my son has a bed that sits high off the ground. So she climbed up there and I figured she couldn't get down. And I was like, are you okay? And she yelled out the room. She said, I'm afraid the witch won't let me out the bed. And I was like, what do you mean the witch won't let you out the bed? Just climb down. It's okay. It can't say anything to you. Just climb down. You have the power to just climb down. And this is the way that I'm talking to her, Divine Collective. And, you know, I'm giving her courage. I'm boosting her up, letting her know it's okay. Nobody can tell you what you can do. You can climb down if you want to. Don't listen to the witch, okay? I think that she's just making this up because she has a big imagination, Divine Collective, and she loves to play. She loves to make up scenarios, right? And so I'm going along with it, and as she's climbing down, she's like, Mom, and I'm like, what? She's like, it's okay. Everything's okay now. The witch is okay. And I'm like, oh, she's okay? She's not upset that you climbed down off the bed? And she then tells me that the witch told her that they had the wrong person. That the witch apologized. She was sorry for keeping her stuck on the bed, but she realized that she was keeping the wrong person stuck, so she let my daughter climb down. And I was like, well, that was very nice of her. I'm glad that she realized that you were the wrong person and that, you know, she took accountability and that she let you climb down, and my daughter went on about her day. So I don't know why I said, let me tell you about a dream. This, in fact, was not a dream. This was real. This happened this morning, Divine Collective. But yeah, according to her, the witch admitted that they had the wrong person, that they were attacking the wrong person, and somehow in that moment came to the realization and allowed her to get down off the bed, Divine Collective. So I kind of want to tap into that and see what that is all about. Okay, see if Spirit will give me any information. All right, see what this is about. Fall back, Spirit says. Fall back, Divine Collective. I'm picking up on an unhealthy obsession here. Spirit says fall back. Someone is in a deeply unhealthy mental state here. March, July, November are of significance. Spirit says there's something better for you out there, Divine Collective, and that demons feed off of trauma, okay? Demons feed off of trauma. Sometimes you have to let them F around and find out. Coffee is of significance. I just made a coffee, Divine Collective. It's an iced coffee. I think it has like some vanilla and whatever I had in the fridge, really. It's like a caramel macchiato or something. Coffee is of significance. Clarity is starting to rush in, Divine Collective. The initial H is here. The initial H. I actually put this card back and it keeps coming out. The police are studying you here, Divine Collective. Something about you delivering karma to cults. The police is studying you. God has seen it all the injustice. The name Elon I'm getting in this reading, Divine Collective, and the moon. Elon and the moon, this is wild because I also have the moon right next to me, Divine Collective. Mystery, subconscious, secrecy, illusion, fear, phobias, paranoia, obsession. Okay, that fell right on top of the name Elon. Elon. Black tourmaline is of significance. Spirit says that black tourmaline deflects negativity. Someone here feels like a fool for stealing from you. Motorcycles could be of significance in this reading, Divine Collective. Your spiritual gifts are advancing, Spirit says. They are advancing. Someone here caused you significant pain. This is someone who is afraid to be their authentic self. 5:14 on the clock. Someone is overwhelmed by the noise of the Matrix, Divine Collective. You are the star. You're showing up as the star in this reading. Someone of the same sex could possibly be obsessed with you here. The star. Archangel Michael is here, clearing away all negative energy. I'm picking up on spiritual manipulation. Someone's best friend, ex-best friend, spiritual manipulation is here. Someone is in a world of pain. Spirit is calling this person a coward. Okay? You really loved whoever this is. You showed this person true love. This is a coward who is falling flat on their face, I'm hearing. Under severe judgment, Spirit says. You are placed exactly where you need to be, Divine Collective. Stand firmly in your truth. 6:19 on the clock. Someone here is a warlock. Spirit is saying you know that this person is a warlock intuitively. You know who this person is. He's a warlock, I'm hearing. June 21st through July 22nd. There's a pick-me energy here. This is a generational curse on someone's bloodline to be a pick-me, Divine Collective. Someone is crashing out because their latest attempt failed against you. The star, the initial V is here. V, first, middle, or last. I heard God knows the true intentions of the heart. Someone is headed towards poverty here. I heard robbing Peter to pay Paul, 7:09 on the clock. Spirit says it's just a matter of time now, Divine Collective. Stay grounded in prayer. The name Brenda is here. Arguments and tension. There's arguing going on here. A lot of tension that I'm picking up on. The name Brenda is of significance. Spirit says this person went too far. The initial D, first, middle, or last. Someone went too far. This is a witch. I'm hearing hocus pocus. Brenda. Someone is crashing out. There's a lot of arguing going on because you've figured out someone's plan. This is a failed attempt, and they're all crashing out, Divine Collective. Didn't I say motorcycle earlier? A motorcycle is of significance. I have a card here saying motorcycle incident, Divine Collective. That's double confirmation, okay? Someone needs to be cautious if they drive a motorcycle here. Move with purpose and intuition. Someone here used mental magic on a child. Spirit says you've severed this karmic cord. You've broken this karmic cord. Someone tried to place mental magic on a child. You are surrounded by unwavering support, Divine Collective. 8:31 on the clock. Whoever this is, they're wicked. They belong to a cult, Divine Collective, and this entire cult is being served karma currently, okay? The perpetrator, the perp. These are the perps, Spirit says, okay? The past is coming back to haunt them. Trust the process. Malicious gossip. I was just talking about this yesterday to one of my friends, Divine Collective. He wasn't really gossiping as he was telling a story, but you could tell that there was some gossip thrown in there. So I had to stop him, you know, in a way where I didn't want him to feel like, you know, I don't want to shut him down, but I let him know that in a lot of my readings, Spirit often gives me the download that they will suffer for their love of gossip. Gossip is really big, okay? So I'm picking up on a lot of malicious gossip here. Refrain from gossiping, Divine Collective. Scorpio, Sagittarius cusp, November 18th through the 24th is of significance, 9:43 on the clock. Spirit says you are now getting your karmic justice, Divine Collective. Someone is being issued a warrant, possibly a Sag. Someone that you grew up with in your town, a Sagittarius, is of significance.